What's up, guys? You're gonna see this on Saturday. You know what I'm saying? Wiz, I did tell you I'm gonna. I don't know if this is the video you wanted me to react to, but I'm gonna react to this Chainsaw Man Edits TikTok. I don't like to react to anime that's basically just the anime. You know what I'm saying? I didn't realize, but yeah, it might be fire. You know what I'm saying? I will not call her Power. I will not. I'll just remember, Makima. I think that's her name. Niggas be getting onto me in the comments. Makima, right? Let me see if I can find. Niggas talking about fine, bro. But her name is Makima, I think. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe. Original video will be linked down in the description. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. We're trying to get 1.3k. We're at 1.2 right now. We're trying to get 1.3. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And remember, you guys probably skipped the intro. Remember, I am going on the weekend soon. Yeah, I want to start streaming on Twitch or YouTube. I don't care, whichever one you guys prefer. I'm gonna put a comment, and then you guys think. I want to stream anime and watch YouTube videos. I just stream and chat, all of that shit. I want to do that on the weekend. You can watch anime, blah blah blah, whatever anime you guys want. But I'll explain it best. Fucking dickhead. Let's get straight to this. I fuck with Chainsaw. I remember the first time. Aki, right? Aki. Damn! Yeah, that's right in his book. Makima! This is power! Power! Let me make sure I got it right. Let me make sure I get it right. Chainsaw Man. Is that power? Let me see. Power. That is power. I got it right! So no one in the comments this time. No one. Okay? That's power. Good. Titty bang bang, titty gang bang bang. Titty bang bang, titty bang bang bang. Power! Ah, there she is again. I guarantee I'm gonna end up mixing them up again. Watch. Next, give me 2 more days. Oh, you remember? Okay, this don't count. I'm gonna say remember if I see any JJK. But this is only a Chainsaw Man edit, so JJK won't be there. I was just about to say power again. I mean, Makima! I was just about to call her power again. Oh my god. That's a Gojo reference. Or Sukuna or Maharaga, right? Or Dragon Ball, whatever you want to call it. The thing over her head. The hollow mark. That. Makima. It doesn't feel right calling her that. Ew, bro. She should have been called Power, bro. Hey! Even in this, the JJK reference is still there. Well, yo, shut up, bitch. Oh my, bro. JJK, you can never escape JJK, bro. How is JJK not the most popular show on TikTok, bro? That shit is like, you can never escape JJK, bro. Shit's always following you around. Remember when he pulled up to their house and they tried to set booby traps for him? They tried to trap him. That nigga fucked both of them. Why does he look like a character from he looks like a character from ¿Y qué tal papi? Ya no te leeta. Yo te dije que te Oh, that's a chainsaw. Wait, is Chainsaw Man immortal? He can't die, right? Damn! He smacked the shit out of her. Daga, 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 daga. I'm not gonna lie. I thought he was gonna end up with the Makima. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think he's gonna end up with Power either. Cause Power does not seem like the type of girl that would date someone. But Makima's a freak though. I think this nigga is immortal, bro. This nigga can grow his limbs back and everything. That nigga is immortal. Is she the strongest in the whole verse? JJK, bro, I'm telling you, JJK reference is in every single anime edit, bro. Not one compilation, bro. Yeah, this nigga. Even the Maharagas thing is there. They're not, but that's fake. No girlfriend, no boyfriend. They would never date. I don't see that happening. That's a sister, right? That's Makima's sister. I don't know, I'm just guessing. But I feel like, yeah, Makima has no emotions though. I'm gonna have to do a lot of fucking editing. Sister? I don't know. This is a different girl. What's happening? Got beheaded. They cut her head off. Chainsaw Man was so good. Now you done. Was that meant to be his head, or that's a chainsaw, or it's a different chainsaw? That's not him. That's a different chainsaw. Woo! Yeah, no fiend. They're not gonna do it this time. Makima! Oh, he's gonna stop. I saw the eyes. I thought it was gonna be her. It's the other girl with the marks. See, I'm talking about JJK reference, bro. You're looking at me right now. Look at me and tell me that's not the girl that Gojo is always teasing, bro. That's literally her, bro. She got a mark and everything. Bunkai, 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 bunkai. Go counter! Woo! Her tits are perky. Power! What the fuck is this dumbass cat, bro? That should be me! My girl, why they do my girl like that, bro? Why she so angry? Reload it! Oh, bro, someone tell me what the fuck is this sound, bro? What is this sound, bro? I'm making this sound my ringtone, bro. I do not even care, bro. Bite me, bro. What is this sound, bro? Oh my god, that shit is fire, bro. I need to know the name of that song, bro. She must be the sister or something. She has to be the sister, right? I don't know how loud it is. Like, I want to hear the volume loud in my ears, but I don't want it to be too loud compared to my voice, you know? Why is it always... What's going on? Oh, she has to be the sister or something. She has to be the sister or something, because she's in literally the last 200 edits, bro. Well, that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it one, please drop a like, subscribe. Original video will be linked down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.